Hi, I'm Junhong from Team Pandas, and today we have built CloudEcoLens. So, while speaking with the Hilti mentors, Jared and Alan, we learned that construction companies like Hilti actually treated security, cost, and sustainability as three different problems, which means that they actually manage these three things in different platforms and tools. So, one big problem that comes with this is that it makes resources very difficult. It makes it very difficult for you to actually manage these resources and to see which resources are expensive or inefficient, or they may even be part of a dangerous attack path, which is why we built CloudEcoLens. So CloudEcoLens is essentially a platform that gives construction companies like Hilti a very high-level overview of all of their AWS cloud resources. Okay, so what we do is we scan through your AWS resources, and then we capture all of these, and then we go through some filters, which I will be showing you in this demo. So first things first, we have a custom-made ML model that we made during this hackathon, that we trained during this hackathon. And what it does essentially is it identifies whether your cloud resource is inefficient or not. Okay, so it will take all of the telemetry details, all of the telemetry data, and figure out whether this particular resource is idle, oversized, abnormal, or etc. Okay, and if it is, then it will also categorize it and tell you that it's inefficient. And then it will show it to you over here with different severities. And according to these severities, you can click into them, look at a very quick overview by our fine-tuned LLM to see why this actually got flagged. And if you want to, you can even generate a containment plan in order to actually fix this problem. So now our LLM, which we use Gemini Flash 2.5 for, is actually fine-tuned on sustainability and also cybersecurity. So depending on which use case is required, it is going to activate that particular agent in order to generate you a report or a advice as to how to solve your particular problem. So right now, it has provided me with a Terraform diff that I can use in order to solve the problem that I wanted to solve. I can even ask it about it, like how do I implement this? And within a matter of seconds, it is going to respond with with technical details as to how I'm supposed to implement this. And the second main feature that CloudEcoLens provides is actually attack path. What attack path is it is more on the cybersecurity side of things. So you have all of these resources, and some of these resources, they may be idle or they may be abnormal. And because of these small inefficiencies, cyber attackers can actually utilize them in order to penetrate your system and find critical infrastructure. And so we use graphing algorithms such as DFS and also PageRank in order to find out which of these connections through your resources are actually vulnerable. And it also provides you in this list of severities. And if you click into them, it will provide you a very visual, very user-friendly graph as to what is wrong and how potential hackers can actually penetrate your system. It provides you with details, AI summaries, and if you want to fix it, you can also once again open in chat, and our AI will tell you exactly how to fix it. And once again, if you have any questions, you can also continue asking it. Next feature that we have is forecasting. So this, we also use our own custom ML model that we trained during the hackathon in order to look at past telemetry data that you have inside of your current AWS resources, and it extrapolates it into 1 day, 3 days, 7 days into the future, and it shows you basically a graph of expected forecasting of like the cost and the carbon costs and the demand of these particular resources. And if you have any questions, so for example, you see here there's a slight peak over here. If you have any questions, you can actually just click into it. And over here, you can just ask AI. You can ask AI, okay, there's a peak over here with this 57% demand and blah, 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 blah details. How do I fix this? How do I address these findings? And our fine-tuned LLM will once again give you the answer. On top of that, if you're running out of time, maybe there's something very critical and you don't have the time to go through all of this data by yourself. What you can do is you can actually just come into the chat feature and you can just ask it about anything about this entire thing, about this entire product, and our LLM, our Gemini, will actually use BM25, which is a little special technical skills that we added on top of it in order to very quickly and very efficiently and accurately find the details that you are looking for. So for example, you want to find the worst attack path. There could be hundreds of attack paths inside of your system, but because we use BM25, it tells you exactly what the worst attack path is, and it matches with what you see over here in attack paths. And so this is CloudEcoLens. Thank you.